Hello everyone, welcome once again to my Learn Excel in 5 minutes tutorial series. My name is Adedolapo and I'll be your Excel instructor. So in this video we'll be looking at dates in Excel. So Excel recognizes date functions, so it doesn't just take your date as a text, it's a format that is recognized by Excel. So various ways that we can create dates in Excel. A very easy way is just to enter your dates in your regular convention ways by, say, entering something in this format. It automatically recognizes this as a date, and if you come here, you'd see here that taking this as a date. You can also enter it in various formats. Excel has this function in it that makes it to automatically adapt such formats to dates. So this is one way of creating dates, and one thing that you need to understand about Excel is that it takes a date as a number. So basically it's just a serial number value. The value that is actually stored in this particular cell is a number, and Excel works on a 1900 date system in which it starts to count each day from the 1900 and gives it a number. So the 1st of January 1900 is given a serial number of 1, and if you want to check what I'm referring to, you can just do a quick check by copying this particular cell value and coming here and pasting the value here. So it gives us this weird number, and you might be wondering how this number is linked to this. So what this is just that this 2nd of February 2020 is 43,863 days away from 1900. So that is what Excel stores in these numbers. So basically it means that you can perform basic operations. Since these are numbers in Excel, you can perform basic operations on dates. For instance, let me just show you this quick one. So you can see 1300 30 of December 00. If you check the value that is here, you'd see the number of days between. That's 365 days, since there's just 1 year difference between these 2 years. So basically that's what a date is, and there are various ways that I said that you can create your dates. One way is just entering it as you would normally write it on a paper by using various conversions that you used to it. Another way is using the dates function. So what the dates function does is that it takes values of day, month and year given an integer values. So let's say that you want to create a date for the 4th day of, say, the 6th month in the year 2017. Now coming here, you can easily create these dates by just entering the dates function. It takes in 3 values: the year, the month and the day. Note the order of the argument. It takes the year first, then the month, then the day. Once you enter this, you have your date here, and you can also format this the way you like, because this is just the default format that Excel gives this value. So if you want to format it a different way, let's say you want to show the month, or you want to show the month displayed in maybe the first 3 letters of the month, you can easily do this by going to the format cells, and then you have these dates selected under the category. Then from here you can select any month that you like. So from here you can easily select the month. So let's say this is what I want, and we have 4th of June 2017. So that'll be all for this video. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos in this series. Thank you.